Hi guys! So today it's our last day here in Boracay and timing kasi ngayon umulan. Napakaulan ngayon. Medyo naka-impake na kami, mga 70% pack na kami. But now we will go and eat breakfast with the kids. First time ko mag-try mag-breakfast. Si Jonany naman, mamaya iikot na lang kami para makakain naman siya.
Hi guys! This is my own family today because we're into Boracay.
Oh, show them. Aray. Oh, are you okay? Ayan na po.
Spider-Man.
Oh, you gonna wear that later.
Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man! Oh. Say, oh, you sing Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Ikaw ha, nampuyat ka. Nampuyat ka bata. Tara na, kain na tayo.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Bib.
That's wherever Spider-Man goes. She do it in the tree.
Hello.
July.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Good morning, everyone. We're gonna eat breakfast. Let's go. So, ito yung mga nasarapan na ako kanina. Itong dried sapsap and itong bulgogi. Yung bacon di ko masyadong trip kasi hindi siya crispy. And then, tatry ko tong champurrado. Or it's called chocolate porridge. Tapos na po kaming kumain lahat. Oh, ano? Yan. Tapos na po kaming kumain lahat. So, uwi na uli kami sa room. Malakas na malakas pa rin ang ulan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Hello? Oh, you want to swim? Scary. The sky is angry at Marcela. Jadala! Ano ba? Nangyari sa'yo? Uy, baka madulas yan. Move, move, move. Move, move, move. Move. Ha, you know where our room is, ha? Let's open it. You wait. Tap it. Hoy, good job. Oh, you open it. So, delayed yung flight namin. 3 p.m. pa. So, check ko na lang kung ano yung check-out namin, ha? So, swimming muna po kami bago kami umalis. Sulitin na natin ang ating outing.
Swimming pa ako ng mga 15 minutes. Ano?
Ako naman 1 hour, mga 10:30. Oo, mag-10 na. Ako 10. Shh! Miguel, Marcela.
Mommy, help me.
Oh.
Hi, Bianca. Repeat ka rin
Bianca,
pala.
hindi sulit sa buffet.
Hey, go to your mom.
Bakit?
Kinakain lang niya lagi, waffle.
Waffle.
Pancake, waffle, cornflakes.
So, kamusta naman yung experience niya dito sa Henan?
Saya.
Sulit ba ang ating
Sulit, dahil
3 days and 4 nights?
Yes.
Alright. Ang Boracay naman, sulit na sulit din?
Babalik kami dito.
Alright.
Sa
Okay.
station doon naman tayo.
Again.
That was so funny. Did you like it?
Yes. Again, Mama.
Okay, I catch you?
Yes.
Okay.
Again, Mama. Again.
Okay.
This is our room. Ouchie, you hurt me. You guys, you're hurting me.
Nakapak na po kami. Okay na ba kayo? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What are you doing? Go there. Okay na. Cellphone mo, dala ko. Uy, baka madulas kayo. Bye, Boracay. Thank you for the wonderful experience. Miguel, look. Oh, blow. Oh. Open. No. Say no. Look. Oh, there's nothing here. It's a prank. I was kidding.
Can I?
Can you? No, it's mine. It's mine. You stay there. Nako, the ipis is waiting for you. The ipis wants to eat you. Yeah. Tina. Sakin, hindi, yun magamit mo na. Pauwi na po kami. Bye-bye, Hanan.